Welcome to Rapid Tech Stories. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has surfaced on TINA, providing some useful information regarding the 2023 flagship. This comes after a few weeks ago when the Samsung Galaxy S23 units were seen at the FCC certification. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has the same dimensions as the current Galaxy S22 Ultra, measuring 163.4 by 78.1 by 8.9 mm and weighing 233 grams, according to the TINA listing. It appears that Samsung may not have made any significant design adjustments. Before we move further, if you like the content, please do like the video and subscribe to our channel for more such exciting information. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset will power the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra while sharing the same 6.8-inch display. According to rumors, the South Korean behemoth may use Qualcomm technology for the Galaxy S23 series worldwide. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has a 4,885 mAh battery, however TINA claims that it should be promoted as a 5,000 mAh battery. The 6.8-inch display will have a 19.3:9 aspect ratio and a resolution of 1440 by 3088 pixels. There are 3 CPU clusters listed on the phone's frequency: 3.36 GHz, 2.8 GHz, and 2.0 GHz. This means that the Galaxy S23 Ultra will certainly have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2's faster clock rates. The chipset will work with 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB of storage in addition to 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is rumored to have a new 200MP primary camera with 0.6 micrometer, a 12MP secondary lens, and 3x and 10x telephoto cameras with identical hardware, while the TINA listing is silent on camera specifications. According to reports, the primary camera would record 8K video at 30 frames per second. If rumors are to be believed, Samsung is rumored to be using the Iridium satellite network and should be open to all users. Users will be able to message friends brief notes and even photographs. That's all for now. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.